In this video, I'm going to show you how to create roles and clients and contacts in the system. So you've logged in, you will click on the People tab, and then you will notice a sub-tab with the client, contact, suppliers, teams, users, etc. So let's start with creating a new client. Click on the Client button and you will see that you have a default client has already been created, Soap Industries. If you want to create a new client, you will click the New button and a client contact page will appear. You can put in the client's first name. So let's go John Candle. Company is Candlesticks International. So he works for. Let's say he is in South Africa, so that'll be 021 for Cape Town, 5559966. You can put in a second phone number if he has a Johannesburg office. Cell number. Source would be if you've, say for example, have a sales team, you can create a new salesperson by clicking on the new white page button, and this will say you have a source. Let's say that the source came from Joan Soap Jr. Okay. The email address of John Candle will be john@candle.com. ID number if you have it. Postal address you can create by clicking on the pencil. And you can put in the street details, One Holder Street. We'll call that Boxburg postal code. And then the country, if you recall, is already been created. If you have John's VAT number, you can put it in. You can change the status. The status can be updated at any point in time. So if John defaults on his debt for say 3 consecutive months, you can change to blacklisted, or for the time being we'll create him as an active client, and you can then click save. You can also add other items to this particular client contact. For example, if you have a contract that you have signed with Candlesticks International, you can upload the contract by clicking on Client Attachments, click New, and then you can browse through your PC if you've got it scanned on your computer, and you can put in a description. Service agreement, for example. I'm not going to save this because I don't have an example contract to upload, but you get the idea. So there is your client contact. You can add a new contact just by, as I showed you, clicking on new and then saving.